So just a final word on memory, some memory tips. First of all, if you don't have to actually rely on your memory, don't. Write stuff down. Use your calendar. Not everything, you don't have to be, a superhero when it comes to memory. Write that information down. When you're studying, try to go from the general to the specific. Okay, so try to understand the big picture first, and then you can get more into the details. It's one of the reasons why you don't want to highlight as you're going. You want to first get through the whole thing, and then once you've seen where things are going and how it all fits together, then go back and get into the details. So that'll help you see how everything is connected, and helping you see how everything is connected is going to help you make those associations. That'll help you to remember things later on. You also want to reduce the amount of information, okay? Go easy on your working memory. You want to space out your studying. You want to, go to the library, reduce distractions. It's better for you to think deeply about a little bit of material without any disruptions or distractions derailing your train of thought than to think really shallowly about a lot of information. So really take your time, space out your study time, take breaks, and really give yourself the opportunity to work with that material. And then finally, use all of your senses. And by that, I mean, for example, write a summary. Write it in your own words. That helps you to, one, make sure that you actually are processing that information. And two, if you end up needing to use it on an essay or something, it's a lot better. So write a summary, discuss it with a friend, watch a video about it, draw a diagram. Anything that you can do to actively work with that information will help you to encode it better. And the better that you encode it and the more often you do that, using all these things together will take that information and move it into your long-term memory. But more importantly, it'll move it into your long-term memory in a way that the way that you've learned it will help you to recall that information later on. It just takes some practice if you're not used to doing that already. If you are, fantastic. But just take the opportunity and take the time, really slow down and give yourself a chance to use the tools that you need to really process this information well. I hope that is helpful, and I will see you guys when we get back from spring break. Thanks.